Hey guys, by what you guys saw in the title, today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Fenty perfume. Fenty Eau De Parfum. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, so here she is. It's not a new perfume. It just recently came out. Like, it came back since it was sold out. And I obviously had to get it. And actually, funny story, I ordered this online and then for some reason the order canceled. It said that it wasn't in stock, so I was like, whatever, like maybe it's just not meant to be, right? But then today I saw that Sephora had the 20% off any like full fragrance, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go to Sephora and see if they have it. And then, you know, if they do, then I'll get it, and if they don't, then that's a sign that I probably shouldn't get it. So then I go and they had it. So yeah, I'm super excited to try it. I did try it there, like I did smell it there, and you know, like it smelled good, but it obviously always smells different whenever you have it on. So I came back home, I showered, did my makeup, and now I'm ready to finally unbox it and try it on my skin for you guys. So yeah, let's open it up. So I know that the first time it came out, I think it was like a bigger box, and the perfume, like it would like slide out like to the side. Obviously this isn't the big box, so that's kind of sad. I thought it was gonna be that box, so I was kind of excited. But I mean, this is so cute. But okay, so they she only has one size. It's not like different sizes. Key box is cute. This is a close-up so you guys can see. It just says Fenty all around. Yeah. Then let's open it up. Okay. It's pretty secure. Then you open this up, and okay, I love the bottle. I swear, if this is used, oh, I guess it can't be. The bottle is super cute. So yeah, this is the box. Not important. The bottle looks so like, did you guys hear that? But yeah, the bottle just looks so like aesthetically pleasing, you know, like just so like, you know, like I don't know, it just looks so like elegant, so classy. Like, look at this. Please focus. Is it focusing? So it has the Fenty logo on the top, and then all around the side right here, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but all around that side it just says Fenty, like all around this. Then when you open it up, okay, it just comes out. This is like plasticky, not really glass. This, I'm pretty sure this is yeah, this is definitely glass. So yeah, ooh, are we okay? So before I spray it, before I try it on, I'm gonna read to you guys what the notes are. So I just got this from the Fenty website, and I'll also have it somewhere here on the screen just in case you guys get mad at how I'm reading it. So yeah, you guys can read it. But okay, it's a warm floral. The key notes are magnolia, musk, tangerine, and Bulgarian rose. And then a little bit more about the scent. It says, a deeply intimate fragrance that's complex, vibrant, raw, spicy, and sweet all at once. Magnolia, musk, tangerine, and Bulgarian rose create a sensual, warm floral, finished with unexpected touches of vanilla, blueberry, coconut, tangerine. Oh no, coconut, sorry, geranium, and patchouli. Fenty Eau De Parfum expresses itself uniquely on each wearer for one-of-a-kind scent that is all-hearted and pure soul. So yeah, so that's what also got me like hooked into trying this. First of all, I was really trying to look up reviews of this because I really wanted to see if I wanted to get it, right? I didn't just want to splurge on a perfume and not like the perfume. So I kept like searching up reviews, and it was either they didn't like it at all, or at first they smelled it, they didn't like it, and then like little by little they just kept falling in love with it, and now they're obsessed. So I was like, you know what? I think I need to try it just because, I don't know, I just feel like it'll be different for everyone. And then the notes are usually what I go for. I love vanilla in my perfumes. That's just like the key that I need for a perfume. It's vanilla. and I always go for warm florals. So I was like, you know what, it's perfect, it's for me. So yeah, that is the story of the perfume. And I mean, I don't want to make this video a long video, so I'm just gonna spray it on. Also, because I can't wait anymore. Like, I'm so excited. Watch me break it. Let's see how it sprays. At first, I definitely smell the rose, like, a lot. I get when people say that it smells like medicine. Yeah, I get that. But okay, let's spray this on. Hopefully I like it. Oh yeah, and also I'll probably be back in a few hours to tell you guys how the perfume is doing, to see if it lasts or if like it changed, like, you know how like sometimes when perfumes settle on your skin they smell a little bit different. So yeah, we'll see, but I'm scared. I don't even want to spray it, honestly, but okay. So I'm gonna spray a little bit on my neck where I always do. Okay, I like the spray. It's like so misty. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on my wrist. It's like the key ones. Okay. Okay. I still get the same smell. Should I spray it one more time just to see? I think I just sprayed it on my hair, but it's okay. When I was watching the reviews, they kept saying that this is definitely a night, like a date night out scent. And to me, I don't know if it is. I feel like I would honestly wear this during the day. I have some other perfumes that are definitely more like heavier, more on the night side. But this one doesn't really give me like date night out vibes. It gives me more of just like, you know, an everyday perfume, at least for me. You know, everyone has like different preferences. For me, this would be an everyday. And okay, it smells pretty good. I definitely get a lot of the rose, so if you don't like how like roses smell or just like, you know, floral, then you definitely won't like this, because this is really rosy. Okay, it smells. I feel like now that I've had it on for a while, I don't know. It's something different. I don't know. It's like, it's like a, I don't even know how to like explain it. Okay, well, even though this is a warm floral, I feel like it still smells completely different than like all my other perfumes. I don't know, my other ones, I feel like they're a little bit more, okay, I smell the tangerine now. I did not smell the tangerine before, not even when I tested it, but now, yeah, I can definitely smell it. I'm trying to like get a good whiff for me to tell you guys like what, like, you know, what vibes it gives me, but I don't know. I don't know if I just can't because it's a new scent, so I'm kind of like, you know, like it's still new. It doesn't really remind me of anything. Not yet. But it's definitely a good smell. I heard some people say that this was more towards the masculine like side of like perfumes, and honestly, no, I don't really see it. I don't smell anything masculine about this perfume. I feel like it's really, really like feminine. Definitely, yeah, definitely more feminine, not really strong like a guy cologne. Well guys, this is it for right now. I am obviously gonna go off camera, you know, go about my day, do all this, all that, just have a regular day to see how this wears, and then probably before I go to bed, I'll do another checkup just to like tell you guys what I think about the scent, if there was anything, you know, if it actually wore that long or if it didn't, if I had to keep spraying, you know, just all that. I'll definitely come back and let you guys know. But yeah, for right now, this is it. So I guess I'll see you guys in a little bit. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, we are back. So I am sorry that my makeup looks kind of ruined from right here, but I've had a stuffy nose this whole day, so I've been like blowing my nose a lot. So yeah, that explains this. But anyways, back to the perfume. So it's only been a couple hours. It hasn't even been that long, honestly. I think it's been like 4 or 5 hours, but I'm really tired and I really want to go lay down and take my makeup off. So yeah, I figured I would just film right now. Okay, but back to the perfume. So after I finished filming earlier, I think I sprayed this like 2 more times, like on my neck, and Eddie really likes it, my brother really likes it, and Kenny really likes it. He kept saying that it smells really good, that he really like grew to like it, and I could really like smell it, and I really liked it too. After I had it on for a little bit, the rose was a little bit like just like lower, you know, like it was light smell of rose, and it was more like, you know, vanilla-y, a little bit warmer. So I like that, because like at first when you spray, I feel like it's really like rosy. I like really rose, and then like, you know, once it like settles down, then it's like better. But yeah, I really like it. I was kind of scared. I was thinking I wasn't gonna like it, but thank God I actually freaking like it. I'm so happy I actually had the chance to buy it, because I was getting scared since it was sold out everywhere. I don't know, I didn't want to miss out, you know. I really wanted to try it. But yeah, if you guys have the chance to try it out, then I definitely recommend you guys should definitely try it. But yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.